51 final project, we implemented a RandomForest, which is a powerful probabilistic machine learning tool. So for first step, we implemented a decision tree, which is a classification algorithm, and the decision tree we implemented followed the classification and regression tree model. How this works is that it takes in a whole list of data that have different properties. The properties can be categorical or numerical, as seen here, is age, or it can be sex. Then given an observation, we can start dividing the tree into two groups, and we split again and again recursively. To see where to split the tree and to what category to use, we employed two statistics called entropy and Gini impurity. By using this, we can measure information gain. The tree wants to maximize the amount of information gain, so the tree will recursively go through each node and only pick out the tree with the most amount of information gained. Finally, we implemented a random forest, which accounts for the high variance of a single decision tree and its tendency to overfit the data. The random forest algorithm takes bootstrap samples from the original data set, and for each bootstrap sample, it fits a classification tree on a randomly selected predictors. So as seen here, it takes in these trees, and then it averages it together. So when given a row of predictor values, the random forest algorithm will receive inputs from all of its trees, and the prediction that most trees vote on will be the predicted outcome. So this is how we implemented this random forest. So we'll go to main, and you can see that there's multiple options for what we want to test for. So here we'll test for let's say we want to find the probability that a first class passenger and a female who's let's say 10 years old survived the Titanic. We also had an accuracy function, and we used the first 550 rows of Titanic survivor data to train our algorithm. Then we predicted a result for the last 83 rows of data. And when compared to the actual realized result, our algorithm had an 83.13% accuracy rate. And for the stage C prostate cancer data, we had an 86.7% accuracy rate. So as you can see here, the algorithm thinks that it survived with a 51.1% chance. So this person probably had a 50% chance of surviving. Alright, thank you, and thank you for listening to our CS51 final project.